What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Dual Economics. I'm Mountain Mike. Today, I got with me again, Curse of Crypto.
What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up?
This video right here is a very special video for the month. We are going to be doing our top investment picks for the month. Before we jump into it, if you like anything, if you see anything that you like in this video, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. Also, if you find some information that you think is going to be helpful to someone else, make sure you guys share the video. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and drop the intro and get right into it.
All right, welcome back, you guys. I'm gonna kick it off today with my top 4 crypto picks for the month of October, and these are in order. I believe at the end of the month, these 4 coins will be in the positive. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna start off with. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna start off with my last one. I'm going to start off with my last pick, and I am going to make it up to my first pick. So you can see the screen.
Mm-hmm.
You see the screen. Okay, so my first pick for the month of October is, I know some of y'all already saw it. Yeah, okay. Is Chainlink. So Chainlink focuses on integrating various blockchains and acts as a bridge between them through the CCIP protocol. Let's see. Let's go to coin market cap. So see what Chainlink has: total supply 1 billion, max supply 1 billion. So for the past month, it's been up. Let's see. Past month has been up. Look at that, 20%. Chainlink's been up 20% for the past month. It was a slow mover back in the last bear market. Back in the last bull market. I'm sorry. And I don't know, man. It seems like they've been picking things up, man. And I noticed one thing Chainlink is doing is they're actually getting into more marketing, what it is that they're doing. So they weren't really that heavy in marketing what they're doing, especially in the last bull market. But I think Chainlink is going to roar like in the next few years, man. So Chainlink is actually a pretty good one to be buying, and its all-time high was about, let's see, 40. Or no, let's see, this all-time high price. Let's see, about $49 was it? Yeah, about $49 all-time high. So you're buying it at $7 right now, and let me look where we're at right now. Look at that. So Chainlink would be my last one. Let's go. I'm gonna do my second to last. My second to last one is, drum roll please. Yeah, y'all. It's actually Bitcoin, to be honest with you. Like, I know Bitcoin is like the lame pick. Even though crypto is new, Bitcoin is like the lame pick. But at the same time, like, we have these ETF approvals coming up. So, that can happen anytime, especially with the spot ETF. We already have the futures ETF for the spot ETF. So even though more than likely that'll be approved maybe sometime next year. Well, no, for sure next time, Q1 next year, for sure. I still believe by the end of this month, I think Bitcoin is going to be up by the end of this month. I think we're going to close this. But it's October. It's really supposed to be October. You kidding?
October?
This is October. Yeah, October. Like, it's October, but it's October because Bitcoin is normally green the month of October. So This is this is slick called October. So, but yeah, Bitcoin is at, and you know, I don't need to say, well, you know, everybody knows what Bitcoin is. Basically, the ultimate store of value. You know, digital gold. So Bitcoin. Let's see where the price. See where Bitcoin is. Bitcoin right now is at 27,916. You know, max supply 21 million. So, you know, hey, none more need to be said about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is my second to last pick.
So Bitcoin is number 3 for you.
Yes. Bitcoin is number 3. Now let's see. Wait a minute, guys. Okay. Bitcoin is number 3. And then so Chainlink was number 4. And I'm starting from last to first. So Chainlink was number 4. Bitcoin is number 3. Number 2. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guess what number 2 is, man.
XRP.
Yeah. XRP. You got to throw the X up, man. Throw the X up.
Yeah, that
XRP. Throw it up. Throw the X up. So yeah, man. XRP. Let's see. XRP 52 cents. XRP
You
is
expecting
52.
XRP to move off some of the
Also, yeah, off some of the news. So Ripple, bro. So check this out. So what's October 5th? The federal judge sided with Ripple over its ongoing litigation with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, telling the commission that it could not appeal a decision that Ripple's XRP does not violate security laws in most contexts. You see what I'm saying, bro? So if the SEC can't appeal this decision, bro. So look, XRP is like, leave me alone. Like, go. This is what the court said. Like, stop bothering me. You know what I mean?
I definitely keep an eye on XRP.
Man. That's number XRP is number 2 for me, man. XRP is number 2 for me. XRP is number 2 for me because, like, bro, I mean, like, if you think about it, XRP, Bitcoin, Litecoin, stacks are really like the only coins that the SEC, well, with this XRP ruling, you know, they can't touch XRP anymore. But really, man, you really only have a select few coins that don't have like this gray area around them. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, all like for XRP, this stuff is coming out of the horse's mouth. You know what I mean?
I do want to ask you something about XRP. I'm gonna, of course, wait for you to finish with your segment. After I do my picks, I want to get back to some on XRP with you though.
Yeah, so it's honestly, bro, XRP is free to fly, man. XRP is free to fly, and it's, as far as a price prediction, and I'm not even talking about just end of this month, but just overall next boom, like it's tough, man. You know what I mean? But this thing can go to $20. You know what I mean? If Bitcoin were to go to $500,000, XRP could potentially be at like $100. You know what I'm saying? And you getting this thing at 51 cents. Not only you getting 51 cents, the institutional bankers, all these other people that actually want to get into crypto, they look at XRP and say they're the only one that has clarity other than Bitcoin. I mean, they got more of a green light than Ethereum, to be honest with you. So, but yeah, man. But you know, XRP, that's always a, honestly, man, I think I may put XRP in that Ethereum category, man. How you know, I don't really care what the price is per se. Like, I mean, I care what the price is, but it's just one of those ones that I plan on keeping for a long time.
I get you. You really believe in the long, for the long term.
Yeah, man. XRP and Ethereum. So, all All right, so and then I got one more, and y'all probably already seen what that last one is, but you know, you think you know what it is?
I'm guessing based off of what you just said, it's either Ethereum or Doge.
It ain't Ethereum, but I am bullish on it. You know, I love me some Ethereum, man. But bro, it really is Doge, man. It really is Doge. It really look, y'all. I know this really goes against everything that I be saying about how I be investing and whatnot. Like, you know, you got to invest in quality stuff. You know what I mean? Like, you know, at least look for coins. And I got a pretty professional crypto portfolio, but it's a few little outliers in there, but you got to have some outliers in your portfolio, man. I feel like you got to. If you in crypto, you gotta be in a few of these little outliers, man. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, bro, Dogecoin, you know, Dogecoin is definitely one of the ones. Hey, look, leash two. You can see this. You can see this. This is my honorable mention coin right here, y'all. This is my honorable mention coin. So hold on, let me get. I want to make sure I get all these up for y'all to see. For y'all to see the ones that So we had Chainlink, the first one. Well, the we went from last to first. So we had Chainlink last, Bitcoin, XRP, Dogecoin. Leash, you guys know what Leash is. That is the soon to be utility token of the Shibarium network. Um, you know, that's the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So this is one that I've really been looking at as well. Been scaling into this one. So we dropped, you know, we had but look at this. So today we went from about 298 up to about 320. You know what I'm saying? So now this thing's kind of just evening out today. But I think this is one that I'm bullish for specifically for this next bull run. That's it. This isn't one that I'm planning on holding long term. I mean, it could work. You know, who knows? We're buying it at look, bro. We buying this thing around $300 or so. You know, by the time next bull market comes, this thing could be floating at a couple $1,000s. You know what I'm saying? And it really wouldn't care. It really wouldn't matter where I sold at it. You know, especially if this is a bottom. You know what if this is that's a bottom. Hold on, let's see. Especially if let's go to the full time. Let's go to the full time chart on Doge Killer. So if the top of this thing, was at what 7 grand, I think. Yeah, about $8,000. I mean, bro, you getting this thing at 300 right now, and the tokenomics, I believe, weren't like this at this time as well. You know what I mean? So these tokenomics have been updated since it's been up here. So this is one that, hey, oh yeah, I'm specifically for this next bull market, I am accumulating Doge Killer. And then, but this is Doge Killer is my honorable mention. But my first one, bro, I am continuously gonna be bullish on Dogecoin, bro. I am continuously gonna be bullish on Dogecoin. Doge One Moon mission date is set for November 15th, bro. So Elon Musk is having his Doge One Moon mission powered by, you know it, Dogecoin. And Elon Musk is going to launch this November 15th. Somewhere is, from what I've heard, I think it's November 15th. So yeah, man, this is, you know, this is going to be pretty neat, man. And I can see a similar situation happening, like I said, with, you know, with Elon Musk going on Saturday Night Live when he went on a few years ago before he crashed the market. I still ain't forgave Elon for that, man. But
We should probably, if possible, we should probably go live when
when that
the
happened,
mission and look at the
yeah,
price of those on that mission going on.
yeah, I think, yeah, bro. Hey, and then we probably can live trade this thing too, man. We probably can live trade it while it's happening.
All right,
Live,
so your
live
top
trade it.
four, were Chainlink at number 4, Bitcoin at number 3, XRP at number 2, Doge at number one with Leash as an honorable mention.
Yes, with Leash as an honorable mention, and Ethereum as an honorable mention. So my top four: Bitcoin, XRP, Dogecoin, and Chainlink. My two honorable mentions for this month are Leash and Ethereum. So for this month,
All right, bro.
these are my like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Oh yeah. So them my four, along with my extra two. You know what I mean? Yeah, you got to keep a few extra chambers in your back pocket just in case, man. You know what I mean?
All right, dog. I'm
So,
about to go ahead and get into my
all right, man.
my top. I guess anywhere between 4 to 7, depending on how you look at it. But I'm gonna start going from I, I guess a least favorite to most favorite, even though I'm watching all of these. I'm gonna start off by saying I'm switching up my investment style over the past few years. There's been a lot of opportunity in growth stocks. Right now, I'm seeing certain stocks that aren't necessarily growth stocks, but are good, decent price stocks that actually offer dividends that are going at a lower rate. So I do believe that as of right now, there is safety in these stocks that I'm about to show. I believe that the dividend rates are decent due to the current price. And I do think in the long term, these stocks are going to benefit me, being that they have the upside of the dividend and the upside of abnormal potential for a price increase due to abnormal price decreases that are going on currently. But to get into the first one, I want to
So
say
so you moving a little bit more riskier?
no. I'm moving a little bit more safer. My least favorite stock on. I'm not going to say least favorite, but the least that I would probably be interested in right now is probably going to be the most growth wide skewed towards a growth stock. But let me get into it. The first one on my list, like I said, I'm going from I guess least the ones I'm least looking at right now to most looking at right now.
Gotcha.
I'm starting with Palantir. The reason that Palantir is, I guess, my least favorite, but I love this company, is because Palantir does not offer a dividend. They do not have a PE ratio, being that they are not profitable. But I do think this is a great growth company. I think they're going to be around in the future. I think they're still in the early stages. A lot of people, I think, are kind of confused as to what Palantir does, why they're considered to be an AI stock. And with so many people jumping into things like Skyward Solutions and stuff like that, just to join the AI train right now, Palantir is really the AI stock before all AI stocks, more so the OG of AI stocks. So I think they're going to be great. I think they're a company to watch for the long term. I've been investing in a lot in between the $7 and $15 range. So right now the company is a little bit above that price. I would prefer it to go back down to the $14 range, which based off of its current volatility, has happened within the last month. So I'm willing to wait throughout the month. Hopefully I can get some more within this range. If it goes back into that $14 range, I will be more than likely purchasing these stocks. And when y'all see me talking about purchasing and stuff like that, or me putting this on my watch list, that's not necessarily mean I'm going to be buying these stocks, but I will be watching them. And if they get to an area where I can purchase and I do have the funds available, that's what I mean when I put these on my watch list. The next on the list is going to be Clorox. Clorox. And it's taking whatever reason a second for the chart to load up, but I want to show you guys an article while the chart is loading. Clorox was basically hit with a cyber attack. I don't know if this was October 4th or October 5th. Excuse me. But Clorox was hit with a cyber attack. Based off of that cyber attack, they're expecting their sales to plummet like 24, 25%. When you guys get a chance, look into it. But like apparently somebody or some kind of organization or whatever hacked into their system, took a bunch of information, made it so that they couldn't use certain software, made it so that certain things were being done incorrectly. So for whatever reason, we may end up seeing a lack of these products, higher prices or whatnot. But the company itself is saying that they expect their bottom line to basically be hit because of this cyber attack. Let me
So
go.
this was pretty big.
Oh yeah, this is huge, bro. As a result, I want to show you how huge it is. The company right now, we're talking about $25. Well, this is a daily chart. Let me go to the monthly chart. Okay, so $25, which is basically where the company is now. If you look at the 3-month chart, this is the lowest it's been in 3 months. If you look at the 6-month chart, this is the lowest it's been in 6 months. If you look at the 1-year chart, this is the lowest that it's been in 1 year. If you look at the all-time chart, come on, chart. You can do it.
What'd you say? You could do. She said you could do.
If you look at the all-time chart, bro, I'm trying to see if there's a bang, bang. Here we go. This is the lowest that the price has been really since, I guess it was here in 22. But if you look at before the pandemic highs where everybody was out buying Clorox, this is the lowest price that has been basically since 2019. So all of the gains that the Clorox company has that they saw during the pandemic, as far as the gain in stock price, has completely been wiped out. And in my personal opinion, I believe that Clorox has become a better company during the pandemic. Outside of that, I think the pandemic has converted many people into being germaphobes, or at least more so compared to how they were before 2019. So I think many Clorox products have been created since then. And as far as bleach and Clorox like main lineup, I don't know a company that's better than Clorox when it comes to like bleaching stuff. So I feel like this is still a good company for the future. Nothing's going to change with Clorox, but they are going at a huge price reduction compared to their highs. Basically almost half off compared to their highs, and they have a dividend. Let's see how much the Clorox company dividend is. Why don't I see it?
That is 4.76%.
Oh yeah. So we're looking at almost a 5% dividend on a company that's 50% off of its highs. So I wouldn't be surprised if this company went up at least 15% over the next year to 2 years, probably at a yearly basis. So even if it did that at a yearly basis, plus that dividend on top, I can see somebody potentially making a lot of money on Clorox, which is technically a stable company over time. The next company after Clorox is what's going to be what was formerly known as Kellogg. If you didn't know, Kellogg is no longer Kellogg. As of October, I want to say it was either the 2nd or the 5th. I want to say it was the 2nd. This was published on the 2nd. Kellogg split into 2 companies. It is now Kellanova and the W.K. Kellogg Company. So based off of this article right here, it looks like Kellanova is going to be focused more so on the snacks and things like Pop-Tarts, Rice Krispie Treats, and things of that nature, if I have it correctly. And W.K. Kellogg is kind of going to be more so focused on the cereal. From my understanding, they're supposed to be taking the cereal brand itself and moving it towards the future. I'm not really sure what that means as far as transferring or updating the cereals like Fruit Loops and Frosted Flakes that we commonly know, but they're talking about basically expanding it to something new for the future. So I've been thinking about investing in the W.K. Kellogg Company, which, like I said, is going to be more so. Let me make sure I have this correct. Let me go back. Like I said, okay, so the area that's focusing more so on the cereals is apparently the portion of the company that branched off. The area that's going to be focused on more so on the snacks kept the original stock information, and they're the actual ones with the dividend. I'm not sure if the KW Kellogg Company is going to start giving a dividend, but Kellanova is still giving that dividend. That dividend is currently sitting at about 4%. So that's a great dividend, especially on the stock. This stock has went down about 15 cents since they split. So if we're finding a company that's at a 15% discount and they're giving a 5% dividend, we have a potential chance of a 20% increase. And I can see that happening potentially over the next 1 year. So I'm comfortable with taking a 20% increase. When we look at the WK Kellogg company, they actually went down 31% since the actual the split in creation of and the creation of this portion of the stock. So we're looking at a 31% decrease, which could potentially end up being around a 30% upside. And I can see that happening over next year. And I'm not sure what kind of dividend or if this company is going to be giving a dividend soon. But if they end up doing that, that's going to be an added bonus. So I'm looking, it's not at Kellogg's, but I'm looking at a split between the company into WK Kellogg Company and Kellanova. I'm thinking about getting both of those. So that's technically, I guess you can say 3 to 4 stocks that I'm looking at. Outside of that, you guys know I'm always looking at the metals market. Sometimes I look at the charts in between, like a 5-year chart or a 1-year chart. I've been looking more so at 1-year charts, being that we're having so much price action. Sometimes I still go to the 5-year, but looking at the 1-year chart, gold had within the past year, gold has had a low of about let's say 1,600, going all the way up to about $2,000. The midpoint in that would be about $1,800. So I would probably be more so interested in gold under the $1,800 range. We are currently above that range, so gold is starting to spark my attention more, but I'm waiting on that. Next, as far as the metals go, we have silver, the low being around $18, the high being around 26. That's a difference of $8. The midpoint being $4. 18 plus $4 is $22. Silver is currently under $22. So right now, silver is currently on my radar to purchase. Also, if you ever look at the gold to silver ratio, recently it's been kind of high at right about 85 to 90. I do like to purchase silver when it's at a high gold to silver ratio. If the ratio goes down by a lot, you can always trade that silver for gold and kind of basically getting it as a double discount. So right now I am kind of looking at silver. Platinum over the past year, its low has been about $850, with the high being about $1150. It's about a $300 price difference. Half of that is $150. $150 plus $850 brings us to about $1,000. So if we can get platinum under $1,000, that seems like a good deal to me. Right now, you can get it under $900 as far as the spot price. So platinum is a decent deal. Also, palladium has been going down all over the past few years. So if you're dollar cost averaging right now, palladium is probably a deal for you. But I would say kind of stick to silver or platinum right now if you guys are looking into the metals.
What that is? Wait, hold on. Wait, go back for a second. What that is next to? What that was next to? What JM Bullion? Yeah, what JM Bullion? What JM Bullion got on their website? Wait, look at that.
Yeah, but they do show bullion. They show Bitcoin on here because they also accept crypto on JM Bullion. So
I got a prediction for you.
Hold on. Before you give me that prediction, but I just want to do a recap of my top picks.
All right, go ahead.
Palantir. My top picks were Palantir, Clorox, the KW Kellogg Company, Kellanova, and of the metals, it would be silver and platinum. But what were you saying, bro?
I got a question about Clorox. I got a question about that Clorox too. Hey, I got a prediction for you. Once crypto is in the clear, I bet you JM Bullion gonna start selling Bitcoin, where you can buy Bitcoin on JM Bullion. I think they're gonna do that.
I wouldn't be surprised.
You think they would? Like, you think JM Bullion will start letting you buy? Like, you can buy big, bro. If they're accepting Bitcoin as a payment, You know what I'm saying? It's like
That might as well trade it.
eventually they going I think they're gonna start selling Bitcoin, but I think it's going to be just Bitcoin. Like the only cryptocurrency you can buy on Jay and Bullion, I think it would just be just Bitcoin. That's it.
That wouldn't surprise me. That wouldn't
That's
surprise
it.
me at all, bro.
That's it. And then, hey, I got a question, bro. I got a question about Clorox Company. I think so. The last month's picks, you had what was that odd pick that you had that I was like, that's actually Flash, was it Exxon?
It was
Exxon. It was Exxon. And I was like, man, because I was talking to you about buying buying the chart when it's in price discovery mode. But bro, I said that was probably the coolest pick. I think this Clorox pick. If you're out there and if you think that there's going to be another Black Swan event that's going to keep people in the house, buying Clorox right now would be an awesome idea. Because I think
Clorox, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you think people are gonna be in the house, because on a regular basis,
when I say in the house, I don't want us to get demonetized by saying the other word.
Yeah, I got you. My point is, bro, it really doesn't matter whether that happens or not, because people use Clorox anyway. As far as cleaners, as far as bleach, who's better than Clorox?
Nobody. Clorox is them.
That's just like saying done. Like Clorox is like done when it comes to that. You know what I'm saying? Like, like that's gonna be here. Like ain't nobody. You might have some stocked up for where you had stockpiles over where you bought extra during the pandemic, and I think they gonna suffer from that for a little bit too. But people gonna buy that stuff, bro.
They're gonna yeah, and I think Clorox did solidify themselves a little bit more during this pandemic. Also, I do believe that, but I think that's a real good, bro. That's a real good pick, because that's what I think is going to eventually happen, man. I think it's going to be like that again. And looking at that Clorox chart,
if you use Clorox bleach or if you use Clorox cleaner, if that Clorox bleach or that Clorox cleaner goes up by $1 tomorrow, mind you, it'll probably only cost about less than $10. So $1 would be a 10% increase. If it increased by 10% tomorrow, you're still gonna buy it.
Still, you have to buy Clorox.
Yeah, it's Clorox, bro.
Like, you have to buy it. You have to buy it. But from a trader's perspective, if you think that there's going to be another lockdown, or if any event to happen that would keep us inside the house, I mean, bro, that spike up, that huge spike came, you know what I'm saying? That came from during the pandemic when everything else was going down.
But flu season propping up and all that. But before, I don't want to spend too much time talking about Clorox specifically. Did you have any other questions on my picks? Because I did have a couple questions about yours.
Shoot, that's just, and that gold chart. That gold chart is looking a little bit appealing. It look bad. Hey, the gold chart look bad, but it look appealing.
Bro, I'm cool with that.
It's
only bad plan on selling in the short term.
I am too, because if gold get down to a certain level, man, I'm gonna definitely go back and get back into it. That price been so high, bro. But go ahead.
Yeah. I had some questions. Let me see. Let me pull this back up right quick. My first question was about XRP.
Throw the X up. XRP. Throw it up.
And I'm sure it's going. I'm not saying I'm sure. I feel like it's going to shoot up again.
Absolutely.
But the thing about it, bro, is after the court case, you remember it shot up after the court case.
Look at it.
And I was looking, yeah, and that's cool, but it shot up, but it lost all of that.
All of it. All of it.
And I'm like, bro, like I wanted to ask you, like, why do you think it? Like, I can understand, you know what I'm saying? It could lose in some of it because of rocket.
So you think that they'll probably at least try to build some new resistances up between that little level up there, but it just came soaring back down to
I'm
where
saying,
it
like,
was.
why you think it came all the way back down as if it was like, bro, it spent all that time in court, almost like building anticipation for nothing. It was basically no move. I mean, it's like pretend movement, but it's actually was no movement based off of the court case.
I mean, bro, it's
all in all.
I mean, bro, the way that XRP chart is, go to the 5-year chart. Go to the 5-year chart. So for the majority of that time, bro, XRP been inside of that. They'd have been inside that lawsuit. You know what I'm saying? And I already believe that that Mr. Gensler is. I mean, bro, of course he's wrecking people, bro. He's wrecking people, man. You know what I'm saying? And
but I'm saying you would expect them to come up through.
I would, but I mean, but we still, bro, ain't nothing pumping. Like, and I think that still even though we are in a bull market, we're in a bull market, but we're still in a bear market right now, bro, because it's normally this when I would know, okay, bull market on, there it is right there, is when we get positive news like that. And then, but then it starts building different resistances up. Like, bro, everything, it's like you get a pump and then it comes down. Unibot does the same thing. You know what I mean? A lot of these coins is, check out Chainlink. If you look at Chainlink, like even Chainlink is retraced a lot of its gains. You know what I mean? From some of its pumps. I mean, it's still up. But I mean, it hasn't gone down as far as XRP though. But you know, hey man, XRP is just one of them coins, man, that's just been in the limelight, man.
Yeah, I mean, I get
you know what I'm saying?
I just don't understand the downward pressure. I don't understand it really, bro.
That's crazy. That's crazy though, man, because it retraced, bro. XRP does have token unlocks as well. You know what I mean? So we got to take that into consideration. So, but I mean, bro, but that is, I'm talking about it retraced all those gains. I mean,
so you think it's just getting watered down versus anybody just?
I mean, I think it being watered down got something to do with it. But I mean, really, man, it's just all this. When people think of XRP, it's like lawsuit. You know what I'm saying? And then they're still going through this shit with the SEC. Well, not no more. According to the news that we got a few days ago.
Yeah, I don't
you know what I'm saying? But me personally, I do believe XRP will probably be one of the best performers in the next bull market, because people are XRP is being accumulated, man, and it's been a little shocking to me, like that. The XRP probably has one of the more horrible charts I've ever seen, man. So, you know.
And I don't want to hold the video too long. I got one last comment.
What's up with you?
It ain't really too much of nothing, because I get where you're coming from with it. You're number one, Doge.
Yeah, man. And I'm not even no Dogecoin fan, bro. That's the thing. Like, I'm not even one of these Dogecoin maxis, bro. But I've seen what Dogecoin can do. Normally, Dogecoin is the coin that starts the bear market. I mean, the bull market off. Like, Dogecoin flies, then it's like, I think it's about that time. So Doge is going to be one of the first coins. Doge is going to be one of the first coins that pumps once everybody realizes, okay, we're officially in a bull market. Doge will pump first. So just be on the lookout for that. Watch Doge pump like 30-something% or something like that within the span of 30 hours. You know what I'm saying? So And then like I said, bro, you can't the Elon Musk shit, but tell you, like I'm not gonna be on the sideline for this one. Not this time. I'm always on the sideline watching Doge pump. Not this time. Not this time. Then we got this, we got this moon mission coming up November 15th. So, we got some bottom news, sell the rumor on that right there. You know what I mean? So, oh yeah. I ain't gonna be on the sideline this time, man. I'm in the game. EA Sports. I'm in the game.
Yeah, bro.
You're all right, bro. You're all right. So, yeah, man.
Yeah, I guess that's the top picks for October. We're gonna have a lot of stuff coming. I think I'm probably gonna end up doing a separate video on the Kellogg split. But if y'all found any new information in this video, make sure y'all like this video. I'm also gonna do another video explaining to y'all how exactly the Fed comes up with the rates and all that stuff that they end up picking, and this is going to be based off of historical data. So there's going to be a lot of stuff coming out. Make sure y'all subscribe to the video. Like, once again, make sure y'all like. If you think this information is helpful to anybody else that you know, make sure you guys share. Make sure if you're into crypto, Marcus gave you his picks. Make sure you guys go and research those. This is not financial advice. These should not automatically be your picks. These are just ideas that we're putting out there, researching ourselves, and that we're kind of looking into. So, hey, make sure you guys check us out on the videos coming up, and we'll see y'all in the next one.